She who has that Shri is called Shrimati. Shri means not only wife. Because he has wife, he is Shriman. Because she has husband, she is Shrimati. Without husband, you cannot call her Shrimati. Without wife, you cannot call him Shriman. Shri means the Shobha which comes from wife, which comes from husband, that is called Shri. Shri means Lakshmi. Lakshmi means Sampada. What is Sampada? Sampada does not mean your bank balance. Not necessarily your real estate. Sampada is not necessarily Sampada means your real estate, your bank balance. You may have $1 billion in your bank balance, you may have 100 acres estates, but you have diabetes. All sorts of diseases. What is the use of those wealth? What is the use of that real estate? That is not Lakshmi. Sampada means where you can live a happy life, that is Sampada. So you have to define that happiness. Happiness is something which we buy, or happiness is something which we feel. Happiness is something which we feel, not we buy. Ananda. So in Anandavalli, Taittiriya Upanishad they say, right? A person, asishto, drudishto, balishta. Asishta with full of wishes. Drudishtaha, balishtaha. Is very strong and very powerful, very stable. Such a person, Prudhivi Vittasya Purnasya. If you give him the entire earth, entire wealth on the earth to him, that is called Eko Manusha Ananda. We discussed earlier also. A person with the health, with the stability, with a good personality, and asishtaha, very optimistic. Such a person, if he gets entire wealth on the earth, that is Saeko Manusha Ananda, that is one human's Ananda. So our Ananda is not Manusha Ananda, it's only small part of Manusha Ananda. Saeko Manusha Ananda. And then they explain, 100 times to one Manusha Ananda is Pitrudevata's Ananda. 100 times to that is Chiraloka Devanam Ananda. So there are different levels. Pitruloka, Manushya Gandharva Ananda, Deva Gandharva Ananda, Deva Ananda, and then Indra Ananda. Every time 100 times. Indrasyananda, and then 100 times to Indrasyananda is Brahaspati's Ananda. Brahaspati's 100 times to Brahaspati's Ananda is Prajapati's Ananda. 100 times to Prajapati's Ananda is one Brahmananda. So never say I got Brahmananda with this Rasagulla or Rasmalai. Rasmalai will never give you a Brahmananda. That is Brahmananda. Anando Brahmedu Yajanat. So that Ananda is called Brahma. Where will that Ananda come from? That Ananda will never come from external objects. It is something comes from within. From within. It should come from within. So that is Sampada Shri. So Paramatma says, wherever there is Vibhuti, Vibhuti means you can call anything Sampada. Vibhutir, Bhutir, Aishwarya, Manimadikam Ashtada. Amarkosha says, Vibhuti means Bhuti. Bhuti means Sampada, Aishwarya. So wherever there is Aishwarya, that is Paramatma. So he explains all these things in the 10th chapter of Bhagavad Gita. So I want to do this shlokas. The Arjuna asks, I want to know your Vibhuti, Krishna. I want to know about you. Where are you? How can I find you? Then Paramatma says, you can find me everywhere. You can find me everywhere. He says, Ahamatma Gudakesha Sarvabhutashayasthitaha. Sarvabhutashayasthitaha, I mean everybody. Aham Adischa Madhyanta Bhutanam Antayevacha. I am Adi, I am beginning, I am middle, I am the end. Adityanam Aham Vishnu. There are 12 Adityas. In these 12 Adityas, I am Vishnu. So wherever you see the best quality, that is Paramatma. That is what he says. Adityanam Aham Vishnu. Jyotisham Raviram Shuman. In all the stars, I am Surya. Because Surya is the brightest. Marichanam Marutam Asmi. In a Sapta Maruts, I am Marichi. Nakshatranam Aham Shashi. So in the stars, I am moon. Vedanam Samavedosmi. I am Samaveda among Vedas. Because Rigveda, Yajurveda and Samaveda. Samaveda is the Gana. Same mantras. Whatever mantras you find in Rigveda and Yajurveda, those mantras you can find in Samaveda. But those mantras are like singing when Devatas come. When Yajnam is happened, when Yajnam is done, in the Yajna, Devatas come to the Yajna. This is a new concept. Wherever we do Yajna, Devatas definitely come. There are a lot of clues. If you do Yajna Yadha Vidhi with a due Vidhana, definitely Devatas come there. But not necessarily they should be visible to you. They are not visible to you. With these eyes we cannot see them. We need to have some divine vision to see them. Devatas definitely come whenever you do Yajna. So, when Devatas come to the Yajna, then they pray them with the Samaveda, singing. So Paramatma says, I am Samaveda among Vedas. Devanam Asmi Vasavaha. I am Indra among Devas, because Indra is the king of Devas. Indriyanam Manascha Asmi. I am Manas among the Indriyas. Why? Manayeva Manushyanam Karanam Bandhamokshayoho, which Vishnu Purana says. Manayeva Manushyanam Karanam Bandhamokshayoho. For your bandha, your manas is karana. For your moksha, your manas is karana. All your senses are dummies. Your indriyas are dummies. Your mind is main culprit. In Bhagavad Gita also we discuss. Your mind is the main culprit. See, sometimes they play music. I like it very much. But I don't realize that they played that music because I did not hear it. Why? Are your ears working? Yes, my ears are working. So, was it loud? Yes, it was loud. But I did not realize. I did not hear it. Why? Because my mind was not there. I am thinking something else. My close friend came in front of me and I didn't see him. Why? Because my mind is not there. So, if your mind is not there, your senses cannot do anything. So that mind is main, mind is important. So Paramatma says, Indriyanam asmi manasaha, manasasasmi, bhutanam asmi chetana. In all the jivas I am chaitanya, chetana, buddhi. Rudranam shankarascha asmi.